Emotions of anger and grief filled the courtyard in St. George Thursday morning as police escorted Calvin Frank to face the magistrate's court to answer to charges of non-capital murder, attempted non-capital murder and housebreaking at the magistrate's court this morning, and has this report.
Even if you're emotional, you don't say that.
Filled with rage and anger, the family and friends of Miss Skinner Morain were present at the courthouse on Thursday morning, crying out for justice. Calvin Frank, a 33-year-old driver of Spring St. George, who murdered Lindy Skinner and was charged by officers attached to the Criminal Investigation Department on Wednesday, 9th June, appeared at the St. George's Magistrate Court on Thursday. Frank was charged with 3 offences, including non-capital murder and housebreaking. He is represented by attorneys Jerry Edwin and Anselm Clouden. Clouden says they are going to challenge the housebreaking charges.
As you know, he's presumed innocent until he's proven guilty by a court properly constituted by a judge and jury. And we're going to give him the necessary representation when the time arises. That is all I can say with respect to the matter.
Corporal of Police Cardina Douglas McLean, attached to the Community Relations Department, was present at the court.
The killing of Miss Lindy Skinner Morain, he made his first court appearance this morning. Mr. Frank was charged for 3 offences: non-capital murder, attempted non-capital murder, and also housebreaking. He was not allowed to plead by the presiding magistrate, and he was later remanded to custody at Her Majesty's Prison.
In a previous interview, Superintendent of Police Vannie Cohen, attached to the Community Relations Department, spoke of the investigations.
Our investigation at this point seems to suggest that there might have been a relationship between the two. We are still working to finalize the details of those and to confirm whether or not there is any accuracy to it, but our information on the ground seems to have suggested that. Police responded to that report. Met the deceased, had a conversation with her, had a conversation with the accused, and all parties were satisfied that the monies would have been paid this afternoon. And having been so satisfied, the police left the scene knowing that this matter is resolved, only to be called back to the scene, learning that he has since allegedly killed the victim.
As stated, Calvin Frank is due to reappear in court on June 29th, 2021. With